Here's a pair of Beats Solo Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair these directly to your Sony TV, the Sony TV that has the Google TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Hisense TV. You can click on the settings, the gear icon on your remote if you have it. If not, just go all the way, go to the home screen, top right hand side, go to your little avatar, your photo avatar. So go all the way up, then move all the way over to the right there. Go down one, settings, click on OK. From here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories, right there. Click on OK. And now make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. And now you can see below I have my other headphones here. These are my Beats Solo 3, JBLs, and my Sony headphones. So now we're going to go ahead and pair these Beats Solo Pros as well. Now, before we tap on pair accessory right there, let's put this in pairing mode, okay? So first thing, to put these in pairing mode, now you guys can see that this one here is actually on, all right? Just FYI, you guys know how to turn these off. If you just go ahead and bend one of these down, it'll turn off, okay? If you want to turn it back on, just put it back up, okay? So I want a white blinking light. Okay, so it's blinking white, it's pairing. If yours not pairing, then you just go ahead and press and hold this for a few seconds. If you don't get a white blinking light or trouble connecting, look in the link below. I'll show you how to reset these, okay? Anyway, oops, it stopped blinking white again. Let me put it back into pairing mode. Okay, it's blinking now. Okay, now it's blinking. Now I'm going to pair accessory in the TV, and now it's searching, and these are already in pairing, so let's see if it finds it. If it doesn't find it in like 15 seconds, you can just click back and do the whole process over again. Okay, for some reason mine is not it's not in pairing mode anymore. Let me press and hold this button here. Let me see if I can get it back into pairing mode. Hold on. Okay, it's blinking now. Again, let's see here. If it doesn't find a few more seconds, then I'm just going to go ahead and do it over again. Okay, maybe it's taking too long. Let me just go ahead and click on the back button on the remote here, and I'm going to pair accessory again, and it's still in pairing mode here. And now let's see if it finds it. Oh, Solo Pro, there we go, right up there. It's already highlighted. I'm going to click on OK. It says pairing now. It's still blinking white here, as you can see. I get a Bluetooth pairing request. It's highlighted on pair already. I'm going to click that right there. Oh, and it just said switch the audio to Solo Pro. Okay, it looks like we're in business, and you can see the Solo Pro is right down there. So there you go. Now you can watch your Netflix or YouTube or whatnot, all right? Good luck.